She's having a good time. She's feeding scrap in there. We let all the chickens out today to get exercise, dig around in the yard. We ain't got but a few. These are all pullets here. All these are older hens in there a bunch. We got a few roosters. Well, we started on the barn today. At the front of it, I want to go ahead and get it, let y'all see what it's going to look like. Got the corner post set on all of it. But it's going to be 16 by 16, and we're going to have two 8-foot stalls, 8 by 5.5 stalls on this side, and then we're going to have a little hay thing here for the hay, a little feed room, and then we're going to have like a brooder box and all that over here in this corner. This here in the middle is going to be for tools and little riding tractors. We're going to jump on here and show you the progress. I know I've been talking about building it, but we got them little goats now, so we're going to have to get it up before winter. It's not real big, but it serves the purpose. I'll say howdy to all my subscribers, viewers, new subscribers, all of you. But they act like they ain't eaten in years. The sun's pretty bright. But, fall colors is beautiful. Beautiful day. Chickens are really singing, ain't they? Got all the watering done. But Addie's sitting up there in the middle of them. What are you two doing?
I'm trying to pop my cigarette.
Oh.
Can you pop it for me? I'll pop it. You can. I need my other hand.
Well, I believe it's going to be a pretty good little barn. When I get the barn done, we're going to build well, this pin right here, I told y'all in the other video, I'm going to turn it to where the door is facing that way, so to keep the weather off of the roosters and trees. Really got the colors going on right now. Look at these back here. Sun beaming through. It's pretty. My little deck. We're gonna have us cooking this coming, not this weekend, but next weekend. The colors is really coming out there. Sun beaming through there. It's pretty. This here's what the backside of the place looks like. Little chicken barns, little chicken houses. They started laying a little bit now. They went on strike there for a while. Well, they was all molting, I think. That's the backside of the little barn. But it's gonna come to right here. Right back here, and then back here I don't know what I'm gonna do back here. Thinking about putting me some rabbit cages on the back of the barn. I have me some rabbits. Back of my hoop coop. Got a chicken out. Them things. But we just wanted to jump on here and let you know we got some stuff going on. We'll be working on, not this weekend, but probably Monday and Tuesday we'll be working on a little bit. Then the following, well, the weekend of next week, I'll be working on it. I'm gonna try to get it done. Right now we got them in this little old, got the goats in this little old thing there. I built them a little temporary lot. Little black one there. She's pregnant. Then we got the little Billy over there. That's Punky, I think is what it is. And that's Spice, and Latte is the lighter one. I don't know where she's at. Where you at, Latte? She must be inside. I don't see her nowhere. Where's Latte at, Addie?
What?
Where's Latte at? Your goat. What's her name?
Latte.
Yeah. She might be in there laying down.
Yeah, probably. Let me in there.
I ain't letting you in there.
Please. Please. Please.
She's probably in there taking a nap.
Please. Please.
No, let's walk around. We'll go walk in the gate.
Walk in where?
Gate.
Walk in
Got the sun blinding us now.
Papa. Is this electric pole right now?
No, there ain't no electric on it right now.
But when are you going to turn the electric on?
Well,
How?
watch where you're going.
When are you going to turn it on?
Probably when it gets colder. Right now, I don't need them.
Remember when I kept getting shot?
But we just wanted to jump in here and say, hey, show you the little progress we got going on. And that nurse, she's got plans of jumping off the fence. And
Not anymore. Not anymore. Papa, I want to walk in there. See, there's Latte.
no, well, you don't need to go in there right now.
Please.
No,
Please.
no, you don't been in there. Yeah, I'd give about that much in a scoop and just put it in there. But that's Spice, Punky, and Punky, Spice, and Latte. Latte, she hides. That's Latte right there. All right, well, we're going to jump off here. We're going to finish getting them watered. And we'll see you on the next one.